Scale your business. How to hire a TikTok manager on Fiverr. You know your business needs to be on TikTok, but the reach is massive and the competition is fierce. Trying to handle trend research, scripting, and editing every single day takes hours you simply don't have. Doing it all yourself is the fastest way to burn out. That is where a professional TikTok manager comes in to help you scale. A great manager doesn't just post. They research trends, craft high-hook scripts, and edit dynamic videos that capture attention. They also optimize your hashtags and monitor analytics to turn your casual viewers into loyal, paying customers. So why should you hire on Fiverr? Traditional agencies can charge thousands in monthly retainers, but on Fiverr, you get vetted talent for a fraction of the cost. Whether you need 10 videos a month or full-service management, there is a package that fits your exact budget. Follow these 3 steps to find your perfect match. First, review their portfolio reels to match your brand tone. And second, always look for top-rated, verified professional badges. Third, send them a quick direct message to explain your goals and confirm they can handle your specific content needs. Stop wasting time trying to decode the algorithm alone and let a pro scale your account while you run your business. Check out the link in the description to explore top-rated TikTok managers ready to work for you today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more growth strategies, and click the link below to get started.